All right, so hello students. Once more, it is teacher Carlos, and we are going to be looking at our first grammar exercise when it comes to lesson 3. Now, I know what you guys are saying, but about how stressed you are because you guys have been looking at a lot of grammar lately, but don't worry, okay? Adjective placement is very simple to understand. In fact, it is incredibly easy, okay? Because when it comes to talking about adjective placement, which is literally the rules that explains how you place adjective in a sentence, there are two rules you need to listen to. And these are that adjectives come before the nouns they describe, that being, for example, in that simple sentence, a long skirt or tight shoes. And the second one is adjectives don't change even when the noun they're describing is in plural. So, for example, we have the word skirts, which obviously is multiple skirts. We're not going to be saying long skirts. We're just going to be talking long skirts. Okay? Now, obviously, for some examples that you guys are going to be answering later in the exercises, we have, for example, you guys are going to have this, okay? It's going to be just an image with an article of clothing from the vocabulary you guys have seen in this lesson. And you guys are going to describe it. For example, this one, obviously, it isn't meant to be plural. It is supposed to be two shirts, but I think the image overlapped. So we have the blouses are clean. They are clean blouses. Then on the next one, we have a dirty shirt. So, of course, the shirt is dirty. And if we make the sentence complete, it's a dirty shirt. Okay, now the exercises are gonna be just like this in the little exercise I'm gonna put you guys in. Don't worry, I will change the page up so you guys are not doing the same exercises. As always, it's gonna be your guys' turn now. So you guys have this video, you have these very simple rules to understand, okay? And now I know what you're saying, teacher, but what about here? We have the blouses are clean, and that is when we're using the verb to be, which is are, and in this case is, we can say, we can put the noun first and then the adjective. But if we're talking just the sentence without any verb to be's, we just have they are clean blouses, okay? I think that might be the only question that may pop up in your head. But as always, if you have any questions, send a message or we'll check them in the next class. I am always available. Thank you.